had a contraction release, an ulnar nerve transposition, and removal of that internal joint stabilizer. And it is now July, so we are 2 months post that. So let's go ahead and look at her elbow. So in black here, I have her radial head. So what I like to do first is just see what the motion of that radial head looks like. I'm going to go ahead and get underneath of where that radial head is, and I'm going to just kind of feel how we're moving as I rotate the forearm. Now this is a time 2 now. If we're having if the motion at the radial head isn't great, I'm just going to go ahead and give her a little mobilization here to see if I can improve that a little bit. Okay. Next, we're going to look at the distal bicep tendon. Here in pink. I'm going to go ahead and palpate down through that bicep tendon. I'm going to put the arm in extension to see how tight that is. As you can see here, she has pretty good elbow extension at this point in time. Next, I'm going to turn the arm over again, and in the red here, we see where the extensor mass attaches onto the lateral epicondyle. So I'm going to check the flexibility of that group by go ahead and extend the elbow and put the wrist into flexion. And as you can see here, nice flexibility with that wrist. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn around here, rotate that. And over here in blue, I have where that flexor group of muscles attaches onto the medial epicondyle. I'm going to go ahead and feel how tight that is. And I'm going to put that elbow in extension, and I'm going to go ahead and push the wrist into wrist extension to see how much resistance I have there. Again, she had an ulnar nerve transposition, so that should help with flexibility of the elbow without tightness along that ulnar nerve. Okay, now we're going to go ahead, bring the arm into shoulder flexion and check the tricep. I'm going to go ahead and pull that arm into shoulder flexion. I'm going to check where it attaches onto the scapula and see how tight is that shoulder. And then I'm going to go ahead and bend the elbow into flexion. And then go ahead and check where that tricep attaches onto that olecranon to see how much resistance I'm getting there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to check the distal humeral ulnar joint, and I'm just going to kind of see what kind of flexibility I'm getting if I do some distraction there and some forward flexion. Definitely getting some resistance towards the end range here. Yeah, you're kind of